Today is the first day of spring, the 1st of March. And let us start walking this spring day in the old town of Germany, the center of Dusseldorf. Dusseldorf is a city located on the right bank of the Rhine River in the western part of Germany. It is one of the 5 largest industrial, transport and cultural centers in Germany. Here are the offices of world companies, numerous educational institutions, and attractions of past centuries. You will be surprised, but Dusseldorf is German Milan. After all, it is here that the production of clothes is concentrated, and it is here that famous designers dictate fashion trends. Addis Ababa is a city where people come to look at life in Africa and admire the pristine nature of the continent. The capital of Ethiopia stands out with beautiful well-groomed streets, numerous parks and squares, which in the sultry heat shelter the inhabitants of the city and its guests under their shade. Addis Ababa is great for family vacations and holidays with kids, who will enjoy playing on the rides. In the city itself, lovers of noisy and cheerful nightlife will find something to their liking. Every year in Addis Ababa, the number of entertainment clubs, bars, discos and other establishments is increasing. Akihabara is an area in the center of Tokyo known as the Electronic City due to the large number of electrical stores located here. Akihabara is not called the city of electronics for nothing. Along the main street of the area, Chodori, rows of large department stores and electronic stores stretch, not to mention the endless number of shops that lurk in the alleys and streets around. Here you can find absolutely everything from the latest models of computers, tablets, cameras, TVs and household appliances to used electrical goods and obsolete parts. At the foot of the Alps, on the banks of the Danube, stands the beautiful Vienna, the capital of waltzes, the cultural capital of Europe, the city of inspiration, and the city of charm. Vienna, the capital of Austria, is the cultural and historical center of Europe. It is known for its stunning architecture, rich musical heritage, and artistic heritage. The majestic boulevards and palaces of the city reflect its imperial past. With its delightful parks, charming palaces, and cultural richness, Vienna offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity that continues to enchant visitors from all over the world. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.